Welcome friends in this next video where we are gonna talking about autocorrections and the grammatical corrections, and then there are external plugins which you can use for a grammar correction while you are typing your email and drafting the email. This is very important for non-English native place people like me, for many of you, which often do typos. We are not good in grammar, so I use this often. I'll be talking how you do it, and then can you schedule an email? Suppose you have drafted it, you don't want to send. This is not the right time to send. You can schedule whatever day time you want to do it. Maybe 2 a.m. in the morning, right? So it's very relevant function for many people. So let's go to first of all autocorrection function, right? So let's go to my email. So which I created. Here you see you have this little function coming in, right? So what is this? So this is my Chrome already have Grammarly, which is a tool, which is a plugin, a small plugin, which helps you to correct your grammar in anything I write in my email. So I'll say continue with Gmail. So I can use my Sachin Sethi 0290, right? gmail.com. And then I say something password, right? And I'll sign up for this tool. The moment you do that, it asks whether you want to disable. So I'll say keep it working. So when I type anything now, I'll say the program was not very active. Was done. Something I'm writing something. So it's a moment you click on this, you have closing punctuation problem. You say it has grammatical errors, but it's not detected. Now it's detected. So it's saying that you should not use your word actively, but you should use active, right? So it's going to be more relevant. Similarly, if I like type more, the program was badly active in the code. Programs, so I'll say programs was badly active in the code. So it will detect, so it's searching, see this function. So it will, if sometimes what happens that depending on your email speed, the internet speed, sometimes it will not detect. So you have to click on this toggle button, that it starts searching for it, the plugin becomes more active. So it's showing that it's the was, it should be where, because it's not correct. Actively, I'll save it. I'll take the suggestion. So it's really helps you to improvise your grammar, to typos, anything you write, because sometimes you type emails, you don't think much. So this definitely helps you to do that. And I like this tool. I've been using for many years. So you can use this. There are many more you can use. That's your choice. But I showed you how it helps you to do things in Gmail. Another thing I wanted to talk about is about your Chrome. So in the Chrome, you should always log in. Okay, many times we use browsers and we don't log in into browser, we just use it, so it does not store your history or anything or bookmarks. So I would always suggest go to people in Chrome and always log in with your Gmail ID. What it does, it if you log in, whatever plugin or functions you use in your Chrome, it automatically goes to your all the tools you use in your Chrome. So for example, I did not install Grammarly plugin because it was already in my Chrome. But you have to, if you have to do it, so you go to Chrome, go to Chrome page, right? And there you need to search Grammarly, okay? Because you say Chrome plugins, okay? This is very important. I'll show you how it works. So you go search Chrome plugins, and then you extensions. It's called extensions. Sorry for my memory. So Grammarly, right? So I'll grammar. Grammar. So there are many grammar spell check tools you can add. So I'll say Grammarly. It says that it's already added in my thing, right? So if it is not, it will show you add to Chrome like here button, and then you can click on this. It will automatically add to your Chrome. When it is added to your Chrome, it will automatically add it to your Gmail. So you don't need to do. If it is not, you have to just click on this button I showed you. You can log in directly and then activate here, right? So that's it about the English corrections. And also, how do you add new plugins in your Gmail? So the best way I showed you, you go to your Chrome extension, search whatever plugin you want. You will see I use a lot of ad blockers, because ad blocker, there are a lot of anything you visit on Chrome, you will always find a lot of ads on those web pages. And the Chrome has extensions which can block all the ads. So you should definitely use this ad blocking plug extensions. I use 3 4 of them, because some some does not work on certain websites. So I have to use multiple. You can use multiple. I have ad blocks. I have this block ad guard. I mean, these are free, so you can use, and you can disable some websites you visit. May not allow you to open certain things because of these ad tools, these ad block tools. You can disable it for a specific websites. So see, you can just say that, okay, for this website, don't run this tool. So you can switch off this and it will work. So don't worry about it. It's very customizable. So this was another very important things you should remember while using Chrome or Gmail. And then comes to scheduling email. Let's go there. So this email, I want to send it to Pawan, testing, right? And maybe I know this guy will. So most of time when you send an email to person, never send it in, like, if it is important email, always send in night, because the next morning they will check your email, because the morning rush is the time when people check email. Otherwise, if it is afternoon, there are so many emails coming in, they don't have time to see. So best time is to send late night, so then the next morning they check it and reply to you. And that's your choice, how do you, but so you can decide day and time when you want to send, and it will not go till time. So right now it's 11:48. I'm gonna say 11:50, right? Or yeah, 11:49 now. So 11:50 today. It should send today. 11. It should be like 23:50, right? Okay. It said invalid time. So cancel it. Again, you go schedule event and go here. Today is, let me check, it's September 10. What's So Oh, because because this email is going 1 hour before. So I'll say, okay, go for 51, right? So, all right. It's a time zone difference. It's causing issue. No problem. So I'm going to schedule. And then I said schedule. So it's scheduled for tomorrow at 51. So let's see your message. When you go to message and check your schedule email, it will be scheduled. It will not be going to that person and till the time your time comes. It will go exactly at that time. So this is such a cool function to use. You can use whenever you want, right? So that's it for this lesson. I'll be talking other function in the next lesson.